Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of one of the most awaited smartphones from Poco, the Poco X3 Pro. So Poco X3 Pro has been launched in India, priced starting at 18,999, that's 19,000 rupees, for the Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 chip, 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. So in this video we'll do a quick unboxing covering all the aspects. We'll show you some camera samples, the UI features and what all it offers for this price segment. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before getting into the video, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So we have the Poco X3 Pro, high performance Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 chip, made in India device. #1 quality brand is mentioned here. On the back of the box, you have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 chip mentioned, 7nm processing, and then Gorilla Glass 6 support, 48 megapixel quad camera, 48 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 is the camera, and 20 megapixel in-screen selfie camera. 5100 mAh capacity battery and in-box 33 watt charger. Then other features include UFS 3.1 storage, 240 Hz touch sampling rate, side fingerprint sensor, dual VoLTE with voice over Wi-Fi, liquid cooling technology, dual stereo speakers, power delivery support, and Game Turbo 3.0. And we have the steel blue variant, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. So that's the variant, the Poco X3 Pro. So without any further delay, let's open the box. So we have a small box. Inside we get the SIM ejector pin, then you get the manual and a case. So let's go to the manual. So just opening up, so we have the dual SIM card slot, and there is no dedicated SD card slot, it's a hybrid slot, and SAR value is mentioned here, 0.809 head SAR and body SAR is 0.645. Then you get a case included. So that's the case. You can see it's a typical TPU case included with the box package, quite similar to what we saw on the Poco X3. So taking this device out, so you can see a Poco branding and the Poco X3 Pro. So let's just keep this device aside for a few seconds. So inside the box you also get the USB Type-C charging and data syncing cable, and finally you get the adapter. So this is the adapter. So this is the 11 volt 3A 33 watt adapter included in the box package. So quite similar to other Poco and Redmi devices. So that's the 33 watt adapter. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So now we have the device with us. So this is the Poco X3 Pro with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 chip. So we have the display. It's a full HD resolution display with 120 Hz refresh rate, and there is also Gorilla Glass 6 support. So you can see here very smooth display. The transitions are pretty smooth, and 240 Hz touch sampling rate and 120 Hz refresh rate. So it's a quite a good display. It's an IPS LCD panel, but still it looks quite okay. Now let's go to the settings. So here we have the about phone, and MIUI version is MIUI 12.0.4, Poco X3 Pro, and storage we have is the 128GB storage. So Android 11 out of the box, and the clock speed is 2.96 GHz. That's the 860 chip, 8GB of RAM and 128GB storage. So that's the software. Now if you look at this is the MIUI version, so you get to see all the options including customization, wallpaper themes, additional options, special features like the Game Turbo video toolbox. All those features are included here. Now if you go to the display settings, let's just take the display settings. So light mode, dark mode, then refresh rate you can change it 120 Hz, and standard 60 Hz is available. So that's the option. So that's the software aspect. And now let's have a look at the design. So you get a fingerprint scanner on the right side, and we have the volume rocker keys, and on the left side we have the SIM tray. It's a hybrid slot. The bottom panel has the 3.5mm audio jack, the USB Type-C port, the speakers. We have the dual stereo speakers and the punch hole selfie camera. And at the back panel we have this camera setup. That's the 48 megapixel quad camera setup, and the pattern looks quite different here compared to the Poco X3. So we have the Poco branding here, and these two sides are kind of matte finish. It's a polycarbonate material, but these look better than the Poco X3 in our opinion. So this is the matte finishing. So we have the quad camera setup, and this is the the LED flash, and the primary camera is at the center. Then we have the 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro, and a depth sensor. And in the front panel we get a 20 megapixel selfie camera. So that's the camera aspect. So let's open the camera UI. So you can see that the typical camera UI, you can, if you go to more night mode, video, short video, document, vlog mode, time lapse, slow motion, dual video, clone mode is also included. And in the video recording you can see 4K at 30 fps, 1080p 30 and 60 fps is supported. So here are some camera samples we are taken with the Poco X3 Pro. So we'll be posting the detailed camera review soon, so stay tuned for that. So these are some samples we are taken with the Poco X3 Pro. Now this device also comes with a 5160 mAh capacity battery, and it has a 33 watt fast charger which comes bundled in the box. So this should be able to give you like 1.5 days of battery life. We'll have to test it out. So we'll be testing the battery performance as well. So stay tuned for all the detailed tests. So that was the Poco X3 Pro, priced 18,999 for the 6GB RAM variant with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 chip, 120Hz refresh rate, Android 11, and you get 5160 mAh capacity battery with 33 watt charging and 48 megapixel quad camera setup. So if you plan to buy, this is available on Flipkart starting tomorrow. Both the variants are available, and this is available in 3 colors. We have the steel blue variant with us. So that is a detailed unboxing. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.